Welcome. We are visiting Vedic mathematics with adaptation of Devanagari format. Sadhkas fulfilled with intensity efforts to fully imbibe the values of Ganita Sutras shall begin with soul syllable Om iti ek akshar Brahm, and to have a reach as Divya Ganga Parvaha along soul syllable Om as Gayatri Mantra. From Gayatri Mantra, one shall reach at Saraswati Mantras. From Saraswati Mantras, we have to reach at Maheshwara Sutras, and from Maheshwara Sutras, we have to reach at Ganita Sutras and Upsutras. The other way around, we have to begin with the text of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras and have to reach at Maheshwara Sutras. From Maheshwara Sutras, we have to reach at Saraswati Mantras. From Saraswati Mantras, we will reach at Gayatri and as a Divya Ganga Prabha along the artifices of soul syllable Om, Om iti ek akshar. In both ways, the beginning is to be Devanagari. Devanagari alphabet format, the beginning of entire reach. Vedic systems reach begin Devanagari alphabet. Devanagari alphabet letters accepting association of Divyank Vyavastha. And in terms of this Divyank Vyavastha, we can revisit the text of the mantras. There are 10 Saraswati mantras. Om Parano Deviti, Om Ano Diviti, Om Pavaka Naiti, Om Chitrit iti, Om Maharano iti, Om Chatvari Vagiti, Om Yat Vagvadanti iti, Om Devi Vachamiti, Om Taviti, Om Ambitamiti. In the previous session, we had visited values and features of first Saraswati mantra, Om Parano Deviti. TCV values, Divyank Vyavastha has taken us to value 65, and the value 65 had further taken us to the center of the creators of space. If space plays the role of origin of force space. Within force space, 12-edged cube requires additional 13th in dynamic state. 12-edged cube in dynamic state manifests additional 13th edge. And this 13th edge gets coordinated with center of hypercube 4. At origin of force space is a seat of transcendental phenomenon. 5 space plays the role of origin of a force space. And as such, this organization, this setup takes us to value 65. One shall have a pause here and take note that the creators of space with a seat at center of the cube when unfolds its full setup as hypercube 4 with 5 spaces at center, then there happens a transcendence of a spatial order which gets imposed on the linear order. Now, in continuity, when we will be reaching from Saraswati Mantra 1, Saraswati Mantra 2. The first Saraswati Mantra, Om Parano Deviti, with position at Ishvarasu, at Saraswati Mantra 2, second Saraswati Mantra, Om Ano Deviti. One shall have a pass, revisit the text of first Saraswati Mantra, Om Parano Deviti, and text of second Saraswati Mantra, Om Ano Deviti. The prefix and suffix Omiti and the central core text Paranodev and Anodev deserve to be changed as transition at the middle, at transition from the center. Paranodev formulation leads us to TC value 41 and Anodev takes us to value 30. We can see that value 41 parallel with the TC value of Om Tat, and Anodev as of TC value 33 is parallel with TC value of Purusharth. So a reach from first Saraswati Mantra to second Saraswati Mantra, very big step. One shall sit comfortably in mind to be through the text Om No Dev. Then one shall reach at the TC values Divyank Vyavastha, which sequentially will be 16, 2, 15, 16 and 8, leading to summation value 57. We can further have a pause here and take note that first the mantra had taken us to value 65, while the second mantra is taking us to value 57. The difference, 65 and 57, is as value 8. We know that hypercube 4 is enveloped within a solid boundary of 8 components. As such, when the solid boundary of hypercube 4 is stripped off, then we will have a reach from value 65 to value 57. Further, we know that value 57 is equal to 19 into 3. That means center, transcendental center, solid order center, hypercube 5 is having a supplet. It would be having a supplet within a spatial order 4 space as 17, 18 and 19. It is this supplet within creator space at its origin seat which will help us and to be face to face with the phenomenon of a bisection for hypercube 5 as and parallel to the split of a sphere into a pair of hemispheres. In the context of sun as well as in the context of moon and earth, the respective hemispheres will be designated as northern and southern hemispheres. Southern hemisphere, which is of value 19, and it is the northern hemisphere, which is of value 7. Therefore, the second Saraswati mantra, Om No Deviti, is a reach within creator space at its origin seat, resulting into a split for the sphere as a pair of hemispheres, and the reach of the Saraswati Mantra 2 is of value 57. Further, let us have a pause and see that at Saraswati Mantra 1, we had a reach at value 65, and at next as Saraswati Mantra 2, we have reached at value 57. So the total reach up till second Saraswati Mantra as 65 plus 57 is equal to 122. Let us have a pause. Let us see that value 65 as domain will take to value 63 dimension, and value 63 will lead to a split into a pair of values 61, that dimension of dimension value 59. Now 59 and 57 are of the format of 59 as domain, 57 as dimension. It will be blissful to note that sequential reach of the Saraswati mantras at this initial step is taking us to the transcendental cavity at the center, at the golden seat of the creator space. It is this visit which will require that we shall have an approach of these mantras in terms of the Rishi, Devata, and Swar. Each Vedic mantra is having its distinct Rishi, distinct Devata, distinct Chand, and distinct Swara. It will be a Dityavriti. At first fold, we shall approach, comprehend, and imbibe the values and features of the Saraswati mantras in terms of Divya Ank Vivastha and Sthapatya format. Then, at second fold, during Dityavriti, we shall be revisiting this transcendental phenomenon in terms of Rishi, Devta, Chand, and Swar frame of each. One shall sit comfortably and to recite these mantras and to comprehend and imbibe the values and features of these mantras in terms of Divya Vyavastha. Thank you very much.